Alright, so new sound test for today, and we now have the KZ-S2 of course versus the KZ-S1. Both are hybrids and from KZ as well. Of course the S1 is a little bit more cheaper compared to your S2, but of course the S2 is the new kid on the block, and in my review I really like the S2 and I like it more than the S1. But of course you guys decide which one is for you here in the sound test. Let me know down in the comments below what you choose between both. Let's start the sound test now.
To make time for your feelings, but you have to admit I already do. Let's just break it down to you and me uptown, dancing all around till the disco ball pops. But I have to be me, and everyone can see your anger is misplaced, and I'm gonna tell ya, don't hate me 'cause I get don't turn me into what I'm not. I have to be me 24/7, and I ain't never gonna stop. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Oh, no, no, no. No, oh, oh, oh. And I ain't never gonna stop.